Hello viewers, this is me your host Mehul Kumar Patwari and I welcome you all to my channel and you are watching a very fresh new episode of Day Roundup. So let's start updating ourselves. Hello friends and viewers. So today's first news starts from the Indian stock market. Yes, the benchmark indices Nifty and Sensex were still trading on a low side today just because of the poor performances of the Asian and European stock market. The Asian and European stocks fell just because US President Donald Trump announced tariff on additional Chinese imports. Because of this, the BSE Sensex ended below 80 points and the Nifty ended below 10,800 levels. So friends, moving ahead, we have got our next news for football fans. Yes, if you're a football fan and you do not want to miss any of the actions from FIFA World Cup, then you can install the official FIFA World Cup app so that you won't miss any of the actions from the FIFA World Cup and you get every news from the FIFA World Cup right on your phone. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from FLIPKART Internet Private Limited, and FLIPKART Internet Private Limited reported a huge loss of rupees 1,639 crore rupees in the fiscal year 2017-18 just because of poor logistics planning and higher storage cost. Let me tell you friends, FLIPKART Internet Private Limited is a part of FLIPKART India which provides logistics planning and warehousing facilities to FLIPKART India. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from Religer Enterprise. The company reported a loss of rupees 64 crore in quarter 4, and if we talk about the whole fiscal year 2017 and 18, the company reported a net loss of rupees 110.18 crore. Moving ahead friends, we have got our next news from the Bollywood industry, and guess what? Salman Khan's Race 3 got a great response in its opening weekend. Salman Khan's Race 3 collected around rupees 106.47 crore in its opening weekend and is the only second movie which crosses about rupees 100 crore milestone in its opening weekend. The first movie to do so was Padmavati with rupees 114 crore in its opening weekend. So friends, that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, then do not forget to share it and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get every notification of the videos being uploaded in the channel. And if you have any valuable suggestion or feedback, then do let us know by commenting below. Till then, take care, goodbye, and yes, do remember to stay sharp and stay updated. This is me, your host, Mehul Kumar Patwari, signing off for today. Take care.